Yarn over yarn, make that stitch. Single, double, treble, puff, take your pick.
Hey Gifted Crafters, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a half double crochet stitch. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and pick up my yarn. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and yarn over. And then you want to go ahead and put your hook inside your work. So you want to pick up a V stitch. So you can see right here, I'm picking up both strands here. So you see the V right there. So you're going to have a total of 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 loops on your crochet hook. Then I want you to go ahead and yarn over again. And I want you to pull through the first 2 stitches or the V that you just put onto your crochet hook. That's going to leave you with 3 strands on your crochet hook. Go ahead and yarn over one more time. And I want you to pull through all 3 loops that are on your crochet hook. And that, my friends, is a half double crochet. Let's do that one more time. I'm going to go ahead and yarn over. I'm going to work my hook into my chain here, picking up the V. So total of 4 loops on my crochet hook. Go ahead and yarn over again. Pull through the first 2, leaving me with 3 loops on my crochet hook. Yarn over again, and then pull through all 3 loops. One more time. Yarn over. Put your hook inside your work. So you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over again. Pull through the first 2, yarn over again, pull through the last 3 loops. And that, my friends, is a half double crochet. Absolutely beautiful, very easy stitch, really simple to do. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
Your talent will grow with every stitch and every thread she weaves her on. Her hands create something special straight from the heart. And as the colors come alive, the joy spreads near and far. Nancy and her gifted crafters, bringing joy and